Amy and Andrew Dobbins here.
And we're the owners of Intelligent Design Plumbing and Air.
In times like these, home services such as plumbing and air conditioning are considered essential needs in our community, and we take that seriously. We want you to know that we're here for you, and we're committed to serving Tucson in a way that keeps you, our customer, and our employees safe.
We're following the CDC rules to the letter.
There's no single thing that can protect everyone from airborne illness.
But all the little things can add up. Staying away from people when you can, using hand sanitizer, washing your hands, and even wearing gloves.
You have our promise that we can still serve you while being as safe as possible for you and for us.
Keeping your plumbing and air conditioning working throughout the seasons is our #1 priority. If you have an air conditioning or plumbing emergency, we view ourselves as your first responder.
For now, please take all the care you can to keep your family safe.
And if you're one of the many customers we've had calling in to find out what solutions we have for the indoor air quality, we absolutely have devices that can kill viruses in your home. And if you're short on toilet paper, we do have bidets our plumbers can install. If you're concerned about buying purified bottled water in the store not having any, we have whole house water treatment systems that can get you taken care of and purified water from every faucet in the house.